Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
This week's economic calendar brings a lineup of key reports that vary in importance. Market participants should remain alert, as these events may trigger significant price movements and affect trading conditions across major asset classes. As we await these data points, it's wise to prepare for the market's reaction. Volatility may arise, presenting both challenges and opportunities for informed investors.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
All three of the major US stock indexes were higher, with shares of Nvidia rising after it said it will invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI, and some Federal Reserve officials expressed doubts on the need for further US interest rate cuts. Michael Saylor's Strategy, the world's largest corporate Bitcoin holder, added more BTC to its balance sheet last week as the US Federal Reserve cut interest rates for the first time this year. Strategy acquired 850 Bitcoin for $99.7 million during the week ending Sunday. Nvidia will invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI and supply it with data center chips, the company said on Monday, marking a tie-up between two of the highest-profile players in the global artificial intelligence race.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold dollar pair skyrocketed 1.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ROC is giving a...
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.